Okay, I have my 2003 Ram 1500. I'm going to be replacing these shocks on the hood here. Okay, here's the replacements I have. These are not very much. I'll leave a link to it. And like every one of these trucks that I've ever seen, these go out, and you just can't you do nothing with the hood anymore. They go out pretty quick, it seems like. They just don't hold that gas charge to them. So we're going to go ahead. I've got the hood popped. It's very easy to replace these. We're going to have to get a stick or something in here to hold this up, because this will fall down. Right now it's just as you can see, not staying up at all, which makes it very difficult if you got to work on or do anything. And for $10-15 you can replace these and have this working again without having to mess with them. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Okay, first of all, make sure you've got it secured with a board, a stick or something, or make sure somebody's holding it, because it could be dangerous. And we're going to take a little screwdriver or a pick tool or something and just pop this clip up. And you can either pop it up or just take it plumb off. It doesn't matter, because your new one will come with the new clips. So we just need to get that off there so we can get this to pop off here, and that's all that is. And then that will just pop right off there. Like I said, be careful, even keep a hand on things you're popping this loose. So we've got that one there. Now we just got to get the one up at the top. Just going to same thing. We're just going to pop that clip completely off of there, or completely up enough to where you can pop it out. So we're just going to go ahead and slip this off of here now, and it should just wiggle right out. Okay, so we got that one, the lower one popped out. This comes out just like that, and then the upper one shouldn't take too much effort to pop it out. Okay, and there we have the top part popped out of there. Nothing to it, just goes right on those. So we'll go ahead and get our new one over here and get into place. You actually have to compress the new ones a little bit, because they're really stiff. Okay, and you can see it's already come with a little grease in there. We're going to start with the top, just firmly push it on there, nothing to it. And once that clip is on there, it's locked in and it's not moving. Now this, you can see it's still a little bit too far down, so we're going to have to compress it a little bit. Like I said, these are really stiff because they're brand new, so you really got to push with some force to push it back just this little bit, just so we can get it to pop on here. Either that, or we're going to have to lift the hood up a little bit more to get it to go into place here. Okay, and all I did was I just pushed the hood back just a little bit more and popped it on. It's on there and it's holding it. I mean, these new ones are really tough, and we don't even need the board at this point. You could use it as a precaution, but this one is all it takes to hold it. And we're going to go ahead and just work on popping this one over here off now, just like we did that one. So just a little flat screwdriver or anything, and you can just take these clips completely off if you like, and to make sure it's not snapping back. Okay, and just to show you, this is loose and that one over there is holding it. And we're just going to go ahead and finish removing this. It's going to be really strong with these new ones on here. We're going to go ahead and just get this one out of the way, and we'll go ahead and pop our other one back on. Okay, and again, just like we did with the other, we'll just pop this top in first, just firmly. And then we'll just give the hood a little push back, and it should be enough to get this. And there we are. So that's locked into place nice and firm. and we'll go ahead and we can test this out. These things are really strong, and you can see the difference. Actually takes quite a bit of force to lift it up there, and it really pulls that hood up. So I mean, like I said, for $10–15 you can replace these, and then you don't have to worry about it not having to prop it up and worry about it falling down on you. Right, and I've used several different brands of these. You know, some of the cheaper ones seem to do just fine too. You know, I'll see, only time will tell how they hold up. You know, the better ones, obviously, they're a little bit tougher, but these here work, and they're pretty cheap. So anyways, that's going to do it for this video. So if you found it helpful, please give the video a like. As always, I invite you to subscribe, and thanks for watching.